You showing everybody how I spent my afternoon?
Hey, now there is an idea that we sometimes hear about, that you get into your van and it's all done.
Oh.
And you've now arrived at some nirvana type thing, and you never have to do this again. Is that the way it works, Deborah?
Find that vanner, and I just want to meet them because I don't think they exist. Anyway, so we're rearranging for the 100th time for Fancy Free, about the 5th time for Robert and I, and but we're getting there. It doesn't look like it probably at this point, but we're getting there.
Right, and that doesn't count my car, minivan, trailer, all the rigs I've been through, and all the times I've rearranged.
Exactly. And Robert is gonna, once we get it kind of like we think we want it, and again, it won't ever stay that way, but then he'll finish out the cabinets. So, but we had to do something because we were tripping over stuff and each other, and it was awful. Okay, so what we did was we had stuff underneath the bed, and we put it all back here, and we took the outdoor stuff that's underneath the bed, that was back here, and put underneath the bed, because it's camping and stuff like that, hiking, things that we don't get into all that often, but this stuff we get into all the time. So I spent the entire afternoon switching them out. So we're ending the day with Robert cooking us a great meal. What is it? What is it, Robert?
It's another version of what I tend to call slop.
Slop?
Meaning it's a one skillet or one pot meal that I'm just throwing ingredients together, and I think they'll come out okay. We shopped at a Walmart in Frisco, Colorado that didn't have real groceries, so I had to get some canned goods. This is leftover from that. Southwest corn with poblano and red peppers, and I got some green peppers and onion in here, and some chicken that's left over from a whole chicken we got, and I'm throwing a little summer sausage in with it because I think that'll round it out. So vegetables and a little bit of meat.
Well, thank you, Robert.
We'll see if it comes out all right.
I know it will. I wish you guys could smell it. It's going to be awesome. And I finished the van before dark. I just want everybody to know that there was a time out here when I would do work on my van, and it would stay outside for like 2 or 3 days. So for me to get it all done.
And it would rain.
And it would rain. If you don't believe me, go back and see some of
my father would wash his car, and it would rain.
Yeah.
Debra works on a van and rearranges things, and it rains.
But not today.
100% guarantee.
No, not today.
Except for today.
I got it all done and back in and organized, and now just got to clean tomorrow, or as soon as I can. I know you got things lined up for me tomorrow, but it's all good. Thank you, Robert. I just woke up, my darling, and I'm not doing well. How about this evening? Will that work? I love you. I'm sorry. Mwah. Thanks for being here, everybody. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get back to managing my videos and get my channel back up to where it was. I lost a lot of viewers, but I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you. See you down the road.